Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add new contact in BitPay account. First of all, tap and open BitPay application on your device. After that, click on the settings icon, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Now, scroll down until you see contact section. Click on add contact button. Here, you need to type the name on the first field and email address on the second field here, which is also optional. Now, type the crypto address of the person in this field. You can also scan by clicking on the small scan button at the right hand side of the field. Now, click on add contact button and your contact will be added on your account. So, that is how you can add contact in BitPay crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.